Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Good afternoon, Bicolana. The Premier Basketball League is finally here. It's the Oragon Basketball League at talagang kaabang-abang po ang ating day number 1 ngayong hapon na ito. Kasama niyo po ang inyong mga commentators. I am Cristina Canzo-Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta para magbigay sa inyo ng napakagandang aksyon ngayong hapon para sa pagsimula ng inaabangang Oragon Basketball League.
Ayan, team, live na live tayo dito sa loob ng Naga College Foundation Covered Court para simulan na ang pagsisimula nga ng nasabi mo dito. Isa sa prestiyosong liga dito sa Bicolania, ang OBL or Elavil Cup. Again, this game talagang makikita natin dito. New teams, new faces, and of course, new tactics for both teams, for all the teams rather, at kung sino ang makakakuha ng first blood dito sa ating unang araw ng pagbubukas nitong liga.
Yeah, napakaganda nga po nung ating lineup ng teams ngayon. We have our collegiate and we have also our professional players. Kaya naman talagang kaabang-abang yung mapapanood natin ngayong hapon nito. It's the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. And of course, talaga namang yung mga players natin ngayon talagang may experience na from playing basketball. We also have Camsur Express players. We also have collegiate players talagang inaabangan ng mga tao. Kaya naman ngayong hapon na ito, for our first game, it will be the Jazz Tire Masters and the CARCIDO Motors. Kaya naman titignan natin dito sa ating unang laro pa lang, talagang kaabang-abang na yung ipapakita nitong ating dalawang team.
Ayan, team, talagang I'm sure excited dito ang buong sambayanan at ang mga basketball enthusiasts to know kung ano ba ang experience dito nitong pagsisimula nitong OBL or ng Elavil Cup. Again, Jazzstar and CARCIDO, sino ang makakakuha ng unang panalo sa pagbubukas ng liga? Yan ang aabangan natin. We are live here sa Oragon Sports TV, sa OBL Facebook page, and of course GNN TV48 Naga para masaksihan natin ang napakagandang basketball action ngayong araw na ito.
And of course, dito sa ating SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters, most of the players here comes from STI Naga. Kaya naman kaabang-abang dahil napanood na natin yung ibang players dito sa side ng Jazz Tire Masters. While on the other side, CARCIDO Motors, andito yung mga players ng Camsur Express na talagang aabangan natin. We also have star players here. We have Bena Obra na head coach ng Genesis Roaring Lions during Bicol Season 6. Kaya naman ngayon, titingnan natin kung paano nga ba ipapakita ng dalawang kupunan na ito kung maurag ba sila. Yun kasi yung tagline ngayon ng Oragon Basketball League. Laging tinatanong, maurag ka ba? Ngayon, titingnan natin kung lahat ba ng teams kayang-kaya at ready na magpakita ng kanilang galing.
I'm sure every team talagang pinaghandaan itong ating liga and matibay at matira kung sino nga ang maorag dito sa ating different teams. Ngayong araw na ito magkakaroon tayo ng quadruple match. So kaabang-abang dito ang ating matchup ngayong araw na ito. Kanino mapupunta ang unang panalo ng napakaraming teams ngayon. So ayan, ang una nga nating match is ang SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters versus CARCIDO Motors, and up next, NCF Tigers versus UNC Tri-Fit Naga. And ang pangatlong match, we have USA Falcons versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. And our last match, it is between the ACLC Hawks and JB Hearts. So, quick recap lang tayo, Teen, sa nangyari kaninang opening dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup. So, nakita nga natin dito na ipinakilala na dito ang different teams na kalahok dito sa ating liga. And of course, nagkaroon tayo ng first ever mutya ng Oragon. At congratulations on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights for winning the title para sa napakagandang competition kanina. And to hear an update on the side of CARCIDO Motors, I think handang-handa na dito ang ating courtside reporter. Now, Zai, ibato mo na yan.
Ayan, babalikan natin mamaya ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai, dahil nga nasabi natin kanina itong ating CARCIDO Motors, some of their players here comes from Camsur Express. We also have key players from CSPC, kaya talagang napakaganda ng line-up nila ngayong hapon na ito. So titingnan natin if yung mga laro nila from their past games maipapakita nila ngayon dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. So ano pa yung hinihintay ninyo? Kung andito lang naman po kayo malapit sa NCF covered court at gusto nyong suportahan lahat ng teams na manonood or maglalaban-laban ngayon po, andito na po tayo. Magsisimula na, kaya iniimbitahan po namin kayong lahat. At kung hindi naman po, live naman po tayo sa ating mga Facebook page. We have Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League Facebook page, and also mapapanood din tayo sa GNN TV48 Naga. Live na live po sa channel 48.2.
Ayan, Teen, sino kaya ang magpapakilala ng maaga dito sa bakbakan between SAFE-JAZ Tire and CARCIDO Motors? Again, kaabang-abang dito ang iba't ibang lineup for different teams. At syempre, hindi na natin patatagalin pa itong pinakihintay ng ating mga manonood, because in a few minutes, magbabalik po kami para masaksihan na kung kanino mapupunta ang napakagandang momentum sa pagsisimula ng game number 1. And of course, Teen, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. Thank you so much sa ating OBL sponsors. We have Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated, SAFE-JAZ, DeliGold Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, MNL Kingpin, Mariano Optical, MarQed Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, 3N Bakery, TRDV Construction and Supply, Gilmar, Casa, Descano, Arco Diez, Naga College Foundation, Nagayan Travel and Tours, Tigers Cafe, Bonnie and Piggy Distributors, Bicol Concrete Hollow Blocks, NOLCAST Construction and Supply. And I think handang-handa na dito mag-report ang courtside reporter on the side of CARCIDO Motors. So babalikan natin dito si Zai. Hi Zai, anong update dyan?
Marhay na daw Bicolandian and to our basketball enthusiasts watching at the comfort of their homes. I want to welcome you to the first game of the season. The CARCIDO Motors versus the JAZ Tire SAFE-JAZ Tire Makers. Ang dalawang teams na magigigitan at aangkada sa nag-iinit na labanan today. This is Gilmar from the bench of the CARCIDO Motors. At para nga malaman kung ano ang mga kaganapan or ano ang magaganap sa team nila, we have here their head coach, Reden Carillo. Magandang hapon po, Coach. So this is the first season po of Oragon Basketball League. So ano ba dapat ang i-expect or i-look forward namin sa inyong team?
Siguro yung experience na lang mga player ko, since meron naman akong mga player na naglaro sa Camsur Express and then yung iba naglaro sa mga commercial league. So yun na lang siguro yung experience ng CARCIDO team.
Wow, talaga naman sir, di ba? It's because Camsur Express is already a high-quality league. So in terms of that, Coach, anong plano natin or anong atake natin during this first quarter of the game?
Siguro yung ginawa naming practice, so gumawa kami ng mga play, opensa, mapadepensa. So nag-prepare kami ng mga 2 weeks siguro bago maglaro dito sa larong ito.
Yes, it takes a lot of preparation para sumama sa panibagong liga. So coach, would you like to invite your supporters or the supporters of your team?
Yung mga group ko, Casa, Basketball, CARCIDO Family, pwede po kayo pumunta dito sa Oragon Basketball League, NCF Covered Court. Nag-start na po ang liga. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. There we have it, the head coach of the CARCIDO Motors, Reden Carillo. Maraming salamat po, coach. And as we start the first quarter, let's all hold on to our seats at abangan kung ano ba ang kaganapan o mga pangyayari sa panibagong segundo or sa mga paparating na minuto. This is Gilmar here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, nasabi na natin kanina, Kamsur Express players from the side of CARCIDO Motors and now experience yung magiging laban dito ng CARCIDO Motors. Sabi niya nga dito ni Coach Reden na yung kanyang mga players dito nanggaling na sa mga liga ng Intercommercial Kamsur Express. Kaya naman napakagandang laban yung ipapakita nila dito. And of course, naghanda sila for that 2 weeks before the Oragon Basketball League. Kaya naman talagang kaabang-abang kung ito nga bang mga players ng CARCIDO Motors handang-handa ngayon para sa lahat ng teams na makakalaban nila dito sa Oragon Basketball League. Rick?
Ayan, and I'm so excited sa ipapakita pa nitong CARCIDO Motors dito sa ating first match between the Gas Tire and again CARCIDO Motors, and to hear the side of the SAFE-JAZ Tire, let's call our courtside reporter Chen. Hi Chen, ano ang inihanda nitong kupunan para dito sa araw na ito?
Marhay na hapon mga Oragon, and it was nice seeing you both, Rick and Tin, here for the first ever Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. Ako po si Shen Shaira S. Nicolas at ako po ang makakasama nyo ngayon dito sa bench ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Master. And to have a little conversation, makakasama nga natin ang kanilang head coach na si Coach Noel Ordaz. Ayan Coach, good afternoon po. Diretso na po tayo. Ano nga ba ang dapat naming abangan dito sa Oragon Basketball League dito sa team niyo po?
Ayun, our team is composed of the STA Olympians and some of the veterans galing sa iba't ibang lugar. So what will the audience expect? Siguro we'll give our best we will compete to the best of our ability.
Ayan Coach, invite mo naman po ang ating live viewers i-support ang SAFE-JAZ Tire Master.
Inaanyayahan po namin lahat na nanonood to watch and support not only the SAFE-JAZ Tire Master but also the Oragon Basketball League Season 1.
Ayan, thank you so much Coach and good luck to the team. Ayan, ano nga ba? Kaya naman mga kaibigan, ang tanong, maurag ka o Oragon? Kaya naman keep tuning dito sa ating GNN 48 Naga and to our Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Jen. Ayan nga dito naman sa ating SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. Yung mga players dito na sabi natin comes from STI Olympians, mga players na silang napanood natin before. And of course, veterans from other places dito sa Bicol region. Kaya labanan talaga ng experience itong dalawang kupunan na ito. Nagsisimula pa lamang tayo, pero grabe na yung intensity nararamdaman natin ngayong hapon na ito. Kaya hindi na po natin patatagalan because in just a few minutes, magsisimula na po ang ating game number 1 between SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters and CARCIDO Motors. Pero bago yan, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Lemon Zone, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Anytime Fitness Naga, Superb Cuts and Soul, Katie Sportswear, Skytech Advertising, Crown Park, Home Pet, Think Pro Incorporated, Pin Cafe, AET Ads, Taylor Swift, Laod, Glass House Beach Resort, Lamon Residences, Tigers Cafe, Nishi Rapid Drug Mart, Tan Dental Clinic, Burley Their Shop, VDC Massage and Spa, and Nixie Shop. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors. And of course, meron na po tayong nanonood dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. Kaya maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta niyo po sa ating Day 1 of this much-awaited Oragon Basketball League. Now, inaabangan na lang natin yung pagsisimula ng ating game number 1 ngayong hapon na ito.
And in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang bakbakan between these two teams. And in a while, makikita natin dito ang ating ceremonial toss sign on one league na magsisimula na talaga ang pinakaabangang bakbakan between different teams.
Now, ngayon pa lang, talagang medyo malamig po dahil umulan kanina, pero mukhang papainitin ng mga teams na maglalaban-laban ngayong hapon na ito. So let's just wait and see. At para sa mga supporters po ng dalawang team na to, isha-shoutout po namin kayo maya-maya lamang. Now, we're just waiting to start this first game of SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters and CARCIDO Motors.
Again, this is very crucial for both teams because ito yung magiging statement ng kanilang kupunan up until the very end of this league. So again, first impression last for this both teams. So let's see kung kanino ba pupunta ang pinakamagandang momentum and secure their first win dito sa ating napakabagong liga, which is the OBL, Oragon Basketball League, Elavil Cup.
And of course, sila din yung mag-uumpisa nung intensity ng laban dito sa Oragon Basketball League. Kaya naman, kailangan talagang i-level up agad yung kanilang mga laro dito. Now, we have our first 5 here from JAZ Tire Masters and the CARCIDO Motors. At kasama po natin ang ating commissioners of Oragon Basketball League for this ceremonial toss. Now, talagang exciting ang laban ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters and CARCIDO Motors.
And now, Teen, as you can see on our screen, everyone, magsisimula na po ang bakbakan between these two great teams.
Now, let's see. First ball possession goes sa side ng CARCIDO Motors, Relata. And now, Relata, isa din sa key players dito ng CARCIDO Motors, knowing that he is one of the players of Kamsur Express. So this is a good matchup for this both teams. Now, SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters with this ball possession. Martinez, pass to jersey number 0. Good defense. And an early foul here. Simula pa lang mang tayo, Rick, pero grabe yung defense ang pinapakita dito ng CARCIDO Motors. Now, Pado for 2 free throws here. No good para dyan sa kanyang unang basket. Now, sino kaya makakakuha ng unang puntos sa ating first quarter? Now, Pado for his second free throw. And that's the first basket of SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. No, CARCIDO Motors on the offense.
And now CARCIDO Motors aiming for a point here, and what a nice assist and nice point conversion on that last sequence on the side of their team.
Grabe, nagawan pa ng paraan doon. And of course, it's a great coverage from SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. So let's see here as they have 17 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 20. have recorded here. Now Pado. And still here. Back-to-back steal now. Loses that ball. They're fighting for that leather. Jersey number 22 now. Pero stepping on the line for jersey number 24. Ramos, also one of the players of Camsur Express. Now, SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. Jersey number 6, Mendoza. Have recorded here. Passes to Martinez. What will he do now?
Great steal on the side of CARCIDO Motors. Now jersey number 45. No good on that attempt.
Fires for 3, no good. And the whistled foul. Now we're seeing here great defense for both teams. Nahihirapan na magpuntos dito yung SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. Big things dyan sa depensang binuild na agad ng CARCIDO Motors. Now 2 free throws. First basket, no good. Para dito kay De Los Reyes. Seven minutes and 54 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Still no good on that free throw.
No, Alare passing the ball to his teammate. Jersey number 22 to 39. Taking their time here.
Oh, maganda sana yung assist dito ng jersey number 39, Relata. With that extra pass. Now, Alaray. On that free throw line. Low scoring po tayo dito because of that great defense coming from both teams. At medyo nahihirapan din sila dito sa mga free throws nila, which is a big help para sa kanilang mga kupunan dito. Now, Alaray. Buena obra. Now 14 seconds to shoot for SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. Another whistled foul. Natawagan dito ng foul si Relata. Foul trouble agad itong ating CARCIDO Motors. We're not even halfway through our first quarter. 7 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. No good for that first free throw of De Los Reyes.
One more time for De Los Reyes. At this time, a basket on that second attempt. Now, CARCIDO Motors on the offense. Alare passing it to jersey number 22, Caroche. 15 to shoot on the side of CARCIDO Motors. Fires for 3, no good.
Now, a lot of attempts here for CARCIDO Motors and SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. Now, have recorded here Martinez. 13 seconds to shoot here. Pass to Pado. Now Pado tries to go inside. Still no good here. And it will stay sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. What a great defense from CARCIDO Motors.
3 seconds to shoot para dito sa ating SAFE-JAZ Tire. Great luck, but Pado. Basket count.
Naipasok pa dito ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. Now, CARCIDO Motors. Relata. a foul here. And also dito sa side ng CARCIDO Motors, Relata, Buena Obra, Caroche, talagang pagkakatiwalaan mo sa depensa dito. Great height advantage for them. And also, hindi din nagpapatalo itong ating SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. So let's see, dito sa ating first quarter, grabe intense na agad yung ating puntos dito. We are tied on 4-all. Now Ramos. That's good for his second free throw.
So 1 point lead on the side of CARCIDO Motors now. SAFE-JAZ Tire on the offense. Martinez heavily guarded here by Buena Obra. But the ball will remain on the side of JAZ Tire.
Now, he's still dito sa CARCIDO Motors, dire-diretso for that layup and they get it. And now, a 3-point lead of CARCIDO Motors as we are approaching the halfway of our first quarter. And it will be a turnover para dito sa CARCIDO Motors.
Too long on that pass on the side of JAZ Tire now. Caroche. The ball passing it to jersey number 4, Punzalan. And great defense on the side of SAFE-JAZ. Now, 8 to shoot, but a great anticipation on the side of JAZ Tire, but unfortunately, another turnover on their side, and with that, couple of substitution on the side of their team.
Yan nga, ang dami ng turnovers na nagagawa dito sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. And Graho Raceles checks in para dito sa ating SAFE-JAZ players from STI Olympians. So now let's see here kung ano kaya yung gagawin nila sa koponan ng SAFE-JAZ to add a point here. Now, CARCIDO Motors on the offense. 4-7 on our scoreboard. Buena Obra, but a traveling violation committed from him. Now let's see here as we continue our first quarter.
Martinez passing it to his teammate, taking their time here, heavily guarded. And a great steal para dito kay Suwer. And with that beautiful steal, magkakaroon dito ng puntos si Punzalan.
Now, SAFE-JAZ Star Masters, kailangan lang doblehin dito yung kanilang opensa at depensa. Dahil itong CARCIDO Motors, grabe trumabaho sa ibaba. A lot of steals here, causing turnovers for SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. Now, Mendoza will be on that free throw line. Ngayon dito sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Masters, Pardo, Mendoza, and the rest of the players here, talagang sila yung nag-step up dito. The first basket was good para dito kay Mendoza. 5-9 on our scoreboard. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Now Mendoza, second free throw. That's good.
Now CARCIDO Motors to inbound, jersey number 39, Relata, passing it to Azueres. And a turnover on the side of CARCIDO Motors. And with that, SAFE-JAZ Tire Kakaroon dito ng oportunidad to close the gap.
And that ball, mapupunta sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. Ito, sa ating first quarter, ang dami na agad turnovers yung nagawa ng kaparehong kupunan, which is kailangan nilang gamitin as an advantage for their team. Now, let's see here if CARCIDO Motors can convert a point here. Now, an extra pass. And that's a good point for CARCIDO Motors. Jersey number 4, Punzalan. With that point now, Rosales. Pass to jersey number 28. 15 seconds to shoot here. Now, Nuestro. Anong gagawin dito ng SAFE-JAZ? They only have 8 seconds. Sayang para dito kay jersey number 4, Graho. Nagkakaagawan pa dito. Buella, still no good. Tapek ni Graho. And another chance for SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters, and they get it. Now, Relata. Dire-diretso. Basket count with a foul. So a 3-point opportunity for CARCIDO Motors. Now, Relata having a great performance dito sa ating first quarter.
Relata on the free throw line for an opportunity to add their lead here. 2 minutes and 59 seconds remaining for this first quarter.
Yan. Relata magpapahinga muna dito. And Andrew Liang, one of the key players of CSPC, papasok na dito sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. So let's see what kind of performance can he show us para sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. Now, this is their ball possession. 2 minutes and 51.
As well, tatawid ng bola on the side of their team. Passing it to jersey number 4. No good on that fadeaway shot. Now, SAFE-JAZ Tire. They need to convert a point because they are down here. But a great steal on the side of CARCIDO Motors. At kapapasok pa lang nitong si Deyang. But again, a point is a point on the side of their team. Napakagandang substitution on the side of CARCIDO Motors.
Now, this is what we're talking about. Liang, napakaganda na nung performance na pinakita niya during the Collegiate Basketball League, and now dito sa Oragon Basketball League. Nakita natin ulit yung kung gaano kagaling maglaro itong si Liang, pero nag-uumpisa pa lamang tayo. So let's see if he will be consistent on his gameplay sa pagpapatuloy ng mga quarters natin dito against SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. But now, Nuestro, first basket was good here. 9-16. Big 7-point lead of CARCIDO Motors. 2 minutes and 14 seconds. No good on that second free throw. So ball possession of CARCIDO Motors now.
Again, Deyang to inbound. Passing it to Aswer. Again, napakaganda ng connection nitong CARCIDO Motors because nabanggit nga kanina dito ng kanilang head coach na sinubok na itong team na ito sa iba't ibang liga. And of course, this is another league na kailangan nilang domina if they want to secure their title here sa ating
Yes, grabe na din yung experience na nilaro dito ng mga players ng CARCIDO Motors. At dun nga sa pakikipag-usap ka Coach Reden, sinabi niya din na isa sa mga advantage talaga nila is yung experience ng kanilang mga players. Meron na sila mga intercommercial na sinalihan at talagang nananalo sila. So now, ito yung kailangan nilang dalhin ngayon sa laro nila dito sa Oragon Basketball League. Pero kitang-kita mo naman, Rick, hindi nagpapatalo yung SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. So let's see if this score mas babawasan ba ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters or talagang patuloy lang sa magandang momentum itong CARCIDO Motors.
So this is a big challenge on the side of SAFE-JAZ Tire because nabanggit din dito ng kanilang head coach na this team composed of different veterans players coming from SCI Olympians and of course veteran players on different teams, talagang halo-halo. So let's see kung magkakaroon sila dito ng napakagandang or solid na communication para maitabla na ito or maibaba na dito ang kalamang hawak ng CARCIDO Motors. Yan ang abangan natin dito sa natitirang 1 minuto at 4 na segundo sa ating first quarter.
Now CARCIDO Motors, a fadeaway shot, no good here. Now ball possession of SAFE-JAZ, an opportunity for them, struggling here. Now Raceles gets that opportunity and the basket here. 44 seconds para dito sa ating first quarter.
Aswer, jersey number 34. Now De Young fires for long two, no good. SAFE-JAZ tire.
Raceles one more time, an extra pass, pero turnover yung kalalabasan nung pasa na yun dito. So with this 25 seconds, another opportunity for CARCIDO Motors to extend this lead against SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. Aswer now with that ball, heavily guarded here in Nuestro. 9 seconds remaining. Let's see here. Loses that ball. 12-18. 6-point lead of CARCIDO Motors. Substitution here. Martinez babalik dito. An exchange of jersey number 28, Raspal. So 3 seconds remaining. Let's see here. Now SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters, 3 seconds to shoot here. Long pass, pero naubusan na ng oras. 12-18 sa pagtapos po ng ating first quarter ng Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Magbabalik po kami for our second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming batid. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pag kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang Oragon.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo.
And we are back here sa OBL Elavil Cup for our second quarter match between the SAFE-JAZ Tire and CARCIDO Motors. So doon nga sa nangyaring ating first quarter, on the side of CARCIDO Motors, Relata, jersey number 39, talagang nagpakita ng gilas on their side, producing 5 score and 1 rebound. So player to watch out on the side of CARCIDO Motors at dapat bantayan on the side of SAFE-JAZ Tire. So let's see kung magiging consistent ba dito itong si Relata. And of course, their team CARCIDO Motors, because as we can see on our scoreboard, 18-12. Medyo maganda yung simulan nila dito. Kailangan lang nilang maging consistent dito sa ating pangalawang quarter.
Yes, and of course, dito naman sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters, sa pagsisimula ng ating laban dito, maganda yung ipinakita dito ni jersey number 20, Delos Reyes, having 3 points and 1 rebound. Pero ngayon, hindi po natin nakikita si Delos Reyes sa loob ng court ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. So let's see, itong mga players na andito, We have Nuestro. Ano yung gagawin nila dito to lessen that gap na nagagawa ngayon ng CARCIDO Motors, and having this ball possession, they can extend it. Now, jersey number 19 is still coming from the side of SAFE-JAZ Masters. Nagmamadali dito for a layup. Jersey number 12, Buela. A good start dito sa second quarter sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Masters. Once again, sunod na yung naging puntos dito. Graho. What a good offense para sa SAFE-JAZ Masters. Naibaba na lamang nila sa dalawa dito. What a good start for second quarter sa kanilang kupunan.
Ayan, maganda nga dito ang simula on the side of SAFE-JAZ Tire, but on the other side of things, CARCIDO Motors. Ano ang gagawin dito? Because naibaba na nga dito sa 2 puntos ang kanilang kalamangan at mapapatawag din dito ng timeout ang kanilang kupunan, at nagkaroon nga dito ng konting changes on their lineup para dito sa pangalawang quarter. Na ipasok dito si HARDSHED, jersey number 19, and Mendones on the side of CARCIDO Motors. So let's see kung magkakaroon ba ng magandang impact itong dalawang bagong pasok on the side of CARCIDO Motors dito sa ating pangalawang quarter. And nabanggit mo din kanina dito itong napakagandang simula ng SAFE-JAZ Tire. At kita natin na with a good defense, magkakaroon sila ng magandang point conversion, and kitang-kita on their last sequence or last play. And to hear an update sa side ng kanilang kupunan, SAFE-JAZ Tire, let's call our courtside reporter, Chen. Hi, Chen. Anong balita dyan at ano pang aabangan natin dito sa SAFE-JAZ Tire sa ating pangalawang quarter?
Well, thank you, Rick and T, and Coach Duel. Remind his player bago pa lang magsimula ang laro na ibigay ang lahat, at para naman sa kanilang first 5, kinakailangan na umpisahan agad ang laro ng maganda. At makikita naman natin that the SAFE-JAZ Tire Master proving that they are Oragon pagdating sa hardcourt at sa larangan ng basketball. Kaya naman their adjustment for the second quarter is to improve their communication and to have a proper execution. Ika nga ni Coach Noel, andun na tayo. Nagtatrabaho na tayo, kaya naman dapat mas galingan palalo. At ngayon, lalo na, ngayon lang sila nakakompleto. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga, isa sa kailangan ng i-improve dito ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters is yung kanilang communication, na medyo nahirapan sila during that first quarter. But now, looking with this performance of SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters sa pagsimula ng ating second quarter, napakaganda nung kanilang ipinakita nila dito. So let's see if they will be consistent now. And another point para dito sa SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters, jersey number 11 coming from Totanes. Napakaganda dahil we are now on deadlock. 18 all po para sa ating dalawang kupunan. At para makarinig po tayo ng update sa side naman ng CARCIDO Motors kung anong gagawin nila dito ngayon, andyan po si Zai. Hi Zai, update natin dyan.
Maraming salamat, Rick, and then what a nail parting quarter, and to think that it's just the first quarter, but now we're already at the second, but it's still extremely mind-blowing. Well expected din naman kasi almost kalahati ng players ng team na to ay nakapaglaro na din sa professional levels league. Like Coach Redden said earlier, experience ang lamang ng kanyang mga players at hindi sila natatakot na gamitin ito sa kanilang advantage. In terms of strategies, sinusubukan nila na mag-focus sa kanilang depensa, avoiding fouls as much as they can. So far, they're trying to focus and they are trying to initiate an honest defense kind of flow as they work hand in hand for the ball. Yan lamang updates dito sa side ng aking team. Back to you.
Thank you so much for that update. So yun nga, gagamitin nila dito ang kanilang advantage na paulit-ulit nating sinasabi, their experience. But at this moment, medyo na-challenge dito itong CARCIDO Motors because of what SAFE-JAZ Tire performance na pinapakita dito sa ating laro. So, hindi natin talaga malalaman kung kanino mapupunta ang napakagandang momentum because minsan nasa CARCIDO Motors ito, and on the second quarter, SAFE-JAZ paunti-unti kinukuha ang kanilang momentum para makadikit dito sa ating CARCIDO Motors.
Ayan, parang back to zero sila. Yung experience nandyan. Pero iba pa rin kapag yung kalaro mo is andyan yung determinasyon. And SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters, yun yung ipinapakita ngayong hapon na ito. And now, 18-21 on our scoreboard. 3 puntos lamang po ang hinahabol dito ng SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. Pero a quick shoutout lang dito sa ating mga nanonood. Shoutout kay Nicole Aspe, Mark Duca, Kin Kaya, kay Ken Sales, kay Mersha Sodsod Martinez, James Angelo Gabarda, A. Sungwad, Michael Reyes at kay Bertie James. Maraming salamat po. Now back to the ball game. CARCIDO Motors now having that 1-point lead. Tiang with the ball. Tries. No good. Offensive rebound. Pero still here. Coming from the side of SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. Can they have the lead here? But a whistled foul.
And on that last sequence, Dayang, matatawagan ng foul. And with that, ilalabas muna siya dito. Jersey number 24, Ramos, ibabalik on the side of CARCIDO Motors. And yun nga yung nakikita natin dito sa ating second quarter. Medyo na-challenge nga dito itong CARCIDO Motors. 21-20. 1-point lead ang hawak dito ng CARCIDO Motors. At dapat nila itong ingatan because SAFE-JAZ Star umaarangkada at umiinit na para dito sa ating unang laro.
Yes, maganda din yung naging pagbabago dito ni Coach Noel na communication yung kailangan nilang focusan. But also, the CARCIDO Motors hindi din nagpapatalo at nasa kanila pa rin yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon dito sa ating second quarter. But let's see here as Rosales with this ball, 15 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded, Graho. Pass to jersey number 12. No good. And the whistle foul. 6 minutes and 33 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Also, kudos din doon sa depensa pinapakita dito ng CARCIDO Motors. Jersey number 4 on that free throw line, Graho. Now, first free throw. That's good.
So, point conversion para kay Graho. And si Graho, nakita na din natin ito sa isang liga, which is yung Bicol, nakakatapos pa lamang. And I'm so excited kung anong ipapakita nito mga moves dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup. Yan ang aabangan natin. Back to the ball game. Caroche. Passing it to Ramos. But Ramos secure that rebound. Again, CARCIDO Motors with 5 to shoot and losing that ball. So possession will go on the side of SAFE-JAZ. Wow, what a defense for both teams.
Yan ngayon. Let's see if SAFE-JAZ Star Masters can get this lead for this ball possession. Graho heavily guarded here. Now, on that 3-point line, no good. Relata with that rebound. Relata, key player during the first quarter and still dito sa second quarter. Napakaganda ng performance from the offense to the defense of this game.
Caroche getting a 3 on that last sequence, and that 3 points was brought to us by Gilmar Casa de Descano.
Now, anong gagawin dito ng SAFE-JAZ? Another steal ng CARCIDO Motors. No good. Offensive rebound one more time. And jersey number 32 getting that basket. Buena obra. And with that, a timeout was called here. Dahil kung kanina nakita natin during the start of second quarter, umurangkada itong ating SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. Dikit yung naging laban nila. And now, let's take a look at that replay. Caroche having that great 3-pointer. And also, Buena Obra ending with a great play there. And that is brought to you by MarQed Aesthetics and Laser Clinic. Grabe yung mga highlights ng laro natin ngayon. So ngayon, 22-28, 6 na puntos na kalamangan ng CARCIDO Motors. And sinasabi ko na nga kanina na sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter, nakakuha yung magandang momentum dito sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. But now, unti-unti na namang umaarangkada itong ating CARCIDO Motors. Kaya naman talagang unpredictable yung magiging laro natin ngayon. Experience sa experience, ito yung labanan ng dalawang kupunan.
And yan, 28-22. Let's see after this timeout kung anong gagawing adjustment on the side of SAFE-JAZ because dito sa natitirang 5 minutes and 1 second, hindi natin alam kung kanino mapupunta ang napakagandang momentum. And now, SAFE-JAZ on the offense. Totanes looking for his teammate, passing it to Graho. Heavily guarded here by Ramos, and the ball possession will go on the side of CARCIDO. Now, an opportunity on their team here to add their gap and their lead here sa ating first half.
Now let's see here if CARCIDO Motors will continue this good momentum. Caroche attempt for 3-point, no good. One more time here with this ball possession, pero naagaw ng SAFE-JAZ Masters. Totanes against Caroche, wala pa rin, and they got that ball possession now. What will they do? Jersey number 39 gets it para dito kay Relata. And Relata having a great performance here. Kanina pa to nagbibigay ng magandang laro for CARCIDO Motors. Now, anong gagawin ng SAFE-JAZ Masters to lessen that gap?
Caroche secures that ball. CARCIDO Motors on the offense. And a block on the side of SAFE-JAZ. Let's take a look one more time for this replay. And what a beautiful block. And that block was brought to us by Bicol Concrete Hollow Blocks.
Yan, grabe, napakaganda ng performance ngayon ng SAFE-JAZ Masters. Great defense sa kanilang kupunan. Now, 17 seconds to shoot here for CARCIDO Motors. Jersey number 39. Now, a long pass here. But that will be a backcourt violation for CARCIDO Motors. Now, an opportunity arises for SAFE-JAZ Masters to lessen the gap here. Let's see if they can get it. A quick 3-point attempt, no good para dito kay Nuestro. Another one, Graho naman. Still for the third time, SAFE-JAZ Masters dito. A foul was whistled. Tatawagan dito ng foul si Buena Obra. Now, Mendoza.
Foul team. Nakita natin on that replay na ilalabas muna dito si Buena Obra.
Medyo nakakadami na ditong foul si Buena Obra. So, he needs to rest first kasi kailangan siya dito sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. Now, Mendoza for his second free throw. Still an 8-point lead of CARCIDO Motors. Second free throw, still no good.
Relata getting that ball. Tatawid on their side with that fast break, and what a move para doon kay Relata. Relata is feeling it on the side of CARCIDO Motors.
They are adding an intensity dito sa laro against SAFE-JAZ Masters. Now, another steal, CARCIDO Motors. But a whistled foul. That quick replay. An offensive foul. Tatawag dito kay Relata. Now SAFE-JAZ Masters. Pumahabol pa rin dito sa ating second quarter. Nuestro. Passes here to Graho. 17 seconds to shoot. Goes inside. Dialitado yung guardia.
And layup para dito kay Graho. Wow, an exchange of beautiful point conversion for both teams. 32-24 on our scoreboard. 2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining for this first half.
Now, with this big gap of CARCIDO Motors, at malapit na nga tayong magtapos for our first half. Ano yung maging adjustment dito ng SAFE-JAZ Star Masters? So let's see here. But this time, it is still the ball possession of CARCIDO Motors with 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 45 to inbound. Alaray. 14 seconds to shoot. Passes to jersey number 22. Back to Alaray. An attempt for 3, no good. Now Graho. Walang tingin na pasa. And a successful 2 points for SAFE-JAZ Star Masters.
Now CARCIDO on the offense. Alaray. With 2 shots para dito sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. And yan, kitang-kita sa ating replay. Jersey number 6. Matatawagan dito ng foul on the side of SAFE-JAZ.
Now, both teams nasa penalty na ngayon dito sa ating 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining. Alaray, second free throw. Let's see here. Now, also, shoutout sa lahat po ng nanonood sa atin ng live sa Oragon Sports TV. Now, Alaray. The other point. That's good. And a timeout para sa laban ng SAFE-JAZ Star Masters and the CARCIDO Motors. What a great performance for our second quarter. Now, let's take a look dito sa mga highlights ng ating dalawang kupunan. Napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila dito. Now, let's see sa natitirang minuto ng ating second quarter kung anong gagawin dito. Adjustment ng SAFE-JAZ Master to lessen that gap, to get that momentum, and also to stop the good gameplay of CARCIDO Motors. Pero let's see if papayag ba yung CARCIDO Motors na kunin ng SAFE-JAZ Star Masters yung kalamangan dito before the second quarter ends.
Now, 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining for this first half. Anong gagawin dito on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star after the timeout para maidikit dito yung kanilang puntos on the side of CARCIDO Motors. Now, Nuestro passing it
to Buala now.
Great steal para dito kay Alaray. And another free throw opportunity on the side of CARCIDO Motors.
Now, Baaw for his second free throw. 26-35. Big 9-point lead of CARCIDO Motors. Paano pa kaya gagawin ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master? Nabawasan yung kalamangan bago magtapos ang second quarter. Now, let's see here. 15 seconds to shoot para dito sa SAFE-JAZ. Nuestro, heavily guarded here, loses that ball. But a whistled foul. Same ball para dito sa SAFE-JAZ. Now, Karoche. Tatawagan siya ng foul. Now, Nuestro. Free throw opportunity. First free throw. That's good. 27-35. Let's see for his second free throw. Kailangan na kailangan to ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. No good.
Dalaray secures that rebound. Papasa dito kay Caroche. Wow. To Caroche, fires for 3 and successful on that shot. On your screen, jersey number 22, Caroche.
Ngayon talagang mas pinapalaki pa ng CARCIDO Motors yung kalamangan na hawak nila against SAFE-JAZ. Babawi sana. No good. Now CARCIDO Motors umaarangkada bago magtapos ang ating second quarter. 30 seconds remaining. Let's see here. Caroche passes to Alaray. 18 seconds to shoot here. Anong gagawin nila dito?
Bao looking for his teammate, passing it to Caroche, fires for another 3 and another beautiful shot para dito kay Caroche, and that 3 points was brought to us by Arco Diez. Wow, what a play on the side of CARCIDO Motors, and that's the end of our first half. 41-27 on our scoreboard. Let's take a look one more time on that replay para dun sa napakagandang tres dito ni Caroche. Dalawang magkasunod na tres ang papakawalan. Ito yung panguling tres para dito kay Caroche. Wow, tansyado dito ang ating court. 41-27. We will be right back for our second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon. Ang logo,
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay
so completely, yo.
MNL Kingpin. Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event.
And we are back for our second half of our game number 1 between CARCIDO Motors and SAFE-JAZ Star Master. At sa pagtatapos po ng ating first half, what a great game coming from CARCIDO Motors, especially Karoche, dahil doon sa kanyang 6 points na nagawa before the second quarter ends. But isa sa mga talagang nag-stand out sa side naman ng SAFE-JAZ Star Masters, we have jersey number 4 Graho with 8 points. Talagang napakaganda ng performance sa pinakita niya dito. So ito yung kailangan ngayon ng SAFE-JAZ Star Masters dahil napakalaki na po kaagad yung nailamang dito ng CARCIDO Motors, dahil nga napansin natin during the second quarter talagang nilaban ng SAFE-JAZ Star Masters, pero talagang itong CARCIDO Motors, grabe yung step up na ginawa nila for their offense as well as sa kanilang depensa.
So yan, naabangan natin dito ang mga action pa on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star. And on the other side of things, again, Relata maintaining his composure inside this court, at siya ulit dito ang nagdadala on that first half para dito sa ating CARCIDO Motors, producing 9 score, at dinoble dito yung rebounds niya. 2 na para sa kanya, and let's see as this game progresses, will Relata make sure na makukuha nila ang unang panalo dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup, or will the SAFE-JAZ Star turn the table on their side at makuha ang kanilang inaasam na unang panalo? Yan ang aabangan natin, and back to the ball game para sa ating third quarter.
Now CARCIDO Motors on the offense. A whistled foul, and that ball possession na pupunta sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. And as of the moment, a very big gap na po yung nagawa talaga dito ng CARCIDO Motors. At tingnan natin kung paano pa ba pagtatrabahuhan ng SAFE-JAZ Star Masters para mabawasan yan. And kailangan doble kayod yung kanilang gawin nila dito, dahil nga nasa third quarter na po tayo ng laban ng dalawang magaling na kupunan na ito. Now, CARCIDO Motors, long pass. Hindi pa nakuha dito ni Punsalan. And to hear an update sa side ng CARCIDO Motors, dahil napakaganda ng performance nila during the first half, we have Zai. Hi Zai, anong update natin dyan? Babalikan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai, but as of the moment, Ramos, a good assist here brought to you by Gilmar Casa Descanso para sa ating assist of the game here. Now, SAFE-JAZ Star Master, anong gagawin nila dito to lessen that gap? Pado, 6 seconds to shoot. A whistled foul. At babalikan na natin ngayon si Zai kung anong update sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. Zai, take it away.
Maraming salamat ulit, Rick and Tin. From the gameplay that we saw on the middle of the second quarter, the CARCIDO are on fire. But rather than rush, their attack is more on suave but precise. Their tempo matches their decoy play. Isa sa mga napansin ko dito sa CARCIDO ay no matter how sticky the game is, they absolutely utilize the space and the opportunity to shoot that they have. And it shows sa kanilang scoreboard. Let's just hope that they'll stay consistent sa paparating na third quarter. That's all the updates I have for now. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Rick.
Thank you so much, Azai, for that update. So very well said, nakita natin dito yung CARCIDO Motors on the latter part of that first half. Talagang napakaganda ng kanilang connection inside the court, and tama nga naman ang sabi dito ni Zai na yung advantage nila is no matter how crucial the game para sa kanila, talagang nagagawa nila ito ng paraan. And of course, nandito na yung factor na napakaganda ng experience na nagawa ng kupunan na ito. Kaya hindi nararattle dito ang side ng CARCIDO. Yun ang dapat buwagin dito on the side of SAFE-JAZ. Speaking of SAFE-JAZ, ano kaya ang gagawing adjustment dito on their side to lessen this big gap na hawak ngayon ng CARCIDO? Now, Chen, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Rick and team. Second quarter is really something kasi as we can see na medyo gitgita ng kanilang laban sa second quarter. Isa nga sa mga nag-contribute ay sina jersey number 12 Buela at jersey number 4 Grajos, at sa pagkakaalam ko parehas silang galing sa iisang team. Kaya naman yung chemistry ng dalawang ipinapakita nila ay magandang epekto para sa SAFE-JAZ tire. And during the huddle nga, ika nga ni jersey number 10 Nuestro na wag tayong masyadong over-committed. Kinakailangan dito ng SAFE na bumawi at gagawin nila dito ay mag-give and go dahil depensa nga ang kanilang puhunan. Yan lamang ang latest dito sa side ng SAFE. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga, special mention dito kay Grajo and Buela na napakaganda ng connection na nagawa nila during that second quarter, pero hindi yun sapat para ma-lessen yung gap na ginawa ngayon ng CARCIDO Motors, and they just need to stick sa kanilang game plan dito. Because as we are seeing right now, a big 21 points ang kalamangan po ng CARCIDO Motors. And still, dumadagdag pa rin yung puntos ng CARCIDO Motors dito. So let's see kung anong gagawin ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters para mabawasan ito. Now, Nuestro, nagmamadali dito. Passes to Grajo, an extra pass, jersey number 12. Pero, nakakuha yung bola dyan. But, still, it's the same ball possession. Meron pang opportunity itong SAFE-JAZ Tire Master para mabawasan yung kalamangan na ginagawa ngayon ng CARCIDO Motors. So now let's see here with 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 81, Raceles to inbound. 5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Napakabilis lang, kaya talagang doble kayod yung SAFE-JAZ Tire Master dito. Now, let's see here. And a review here for that last sequence para dito sa labanan ng dalawang kupunan. And also, Rick, shoutout naman tayo sa mga ating live viewers sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook page.
And thank you so much to all our live viewers para sa ating unang match between the SAFE-JAZ Tire versus CARCIDO Motors. Ayan, shoutout po dito kay Mark Christian Amante, Carlos John Bordon Melia, Edward Francisco Sayanco, Amber Basque, Kev De Vera, Thomas Enate Martinez, Richard Carlo Millena, kay John Paul, Patrick Lorio, Eliza Faith Respeto, Junmel Opeña at kay Rudy Rita. Maraming salamat sa antabay at suporta para dito sa dalawang kupunan. And again, maya-maya po abangan natin ang 3 pang matches dito sa Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Nagsisimula pa lamang ang intense matchup for this afternoon. Now, 5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining. Let's see kung ano ang makikita on that review at kung ano ang magiging say dito ng ating mga officiating officials. Yan ang aabangan natin dito.
Yan, maraming salamat po. Talagang inaabangan nila yung laban dito ng lahat ng kupunan na sumali sa ating Oragon Basketball League. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Of course, shoutout din sa ating mga sponsors. Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated, SAFE-JAZ, DeliGold Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, MNL Kingpin Camarines Sur, Mariano Optical, MarQed Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, 3 Bakery at sa TRDV Construction and Supply. Maraming salamat po. And now, that ball still sa side pa rin po ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Master. Now let's see on that review. It is still the ball possession of SAFE-JAZ Tire Master. So let's see here with 14 seconds to shoot. Raceles to inbound. And a great steal Pero, it wasn't foul. Tatawagan ng foul dyan si Martinez.
And now, De Jong to inbound on the side of CARCIDO. And substitution on the side of SAFE-JAZ Tire. Aswer to De Jong. Taking the time here, Punzalan, heavily guarded. And back-to-back steal for both teams, Punzalan. Long pass. And the ball will go on the side of SAFE-JAZ Tire.
Now, itong mga turnovers ng CARCIDO Motors, kailangan gawing opportunity ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Master to really have a good ball possession dito. It's very important, pero another steal for CARCIDO Motors. Napakaganda ng depensa pinapakita nila dito sa ating third quarter. Now, Aswer, extra pass here, pero Nuestro kukunin yan. Talagang hindi papatalo sa depensa itong dalawang kupunan na ito. And SAFE-JAZ Tire Master, sa kanila mapupunta ang ball possession na yan.
Depensa kung depensa. Yan ang labanan dito ng dalawang kupunan. Now, SAFE-JAZ Tire with the offense. But De Jong again on that steal. Wow, De Jong. Talagang bantay sarado dito yung bola. De Jong with the ball, forcing that one. And the ball will go on the side of SAFE-JAZ Tire. Again, back-to-back turnover. Ang ganda sana dito ng mga steals on the side of CARCIDO, but again, their unforced error. Talaga medyo nagpapahirap dito on their side to add this 51 point.
And also, kung makikita din natin na yung depensa pinapakita dito ng CARCIDO Motors, causing a lot of turnovers sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. So kailangan nilang kunin yung oportunidad na yon na makakuha ng magandang game plan and gameplay dito. Now, CARCIDO Motors still having a good momentum sa ating third quarter. We only have 4 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. Now, let's see here. Jersey number 10. Passes to De Jong. 10 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded here. Mendones passes to Divino. 2 seconds. And that's good. Naipasok pa dito ni Mendones. Adding a fire dito sa CARCIDO Motors. Another great steal. Pero Nuestro yung nandyan. Now, SAFE-JAZ Tire Master. Anong gagawin dito? Mid-range jumper. That's good. Para dito kay jersey number 12. Buwala. Na talagang nagpapakitang gilas during that second quarter of the game.
De Jong looking for his teammate, forcing that one, and no good. And the ball will stay on the side of CARCIDO with 12 seconds to shoot. De Jong to inbound. They're aiming here for another beautiful conversion. Carroche. No good, and still ball possession ng ating CARCIDO Motors. 4 seconds to shoot. De Jong to Carroche. No good on that attempt. Now, Nuestro and the rest of the SAFE-JAZ Tire, they need to step up dito sa ating third quarter.
Now, let's see here. 13 seconds to shoot, loses that ball. CARCIDO Motors once again, but a double dribble. Patawag dito kay De Jong. Now, SAFE-JAZ Tire Master. An open opportunity for them. Kasi talagang yung pagtrabaho ng CARCIDO Motors dito, dire-diretso. And still, nasa kanila pa rin yung napakalaking kalamangan dito. Now, 14 seconds to shoot. Anong gagawin ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Master? Let's see here, jersey number 12, Buala. Pass to Nuestro. Now, Nuestro. And that's a 3-pointer para dito kay Nuestro. And that is brought to you by Arco Diez. Ito yung kailangan ngayon ng SAFE-JAZ to lessen that gap with a beautiful offense. So let's see here if this will continue now. Buela naman ngayon, 2 steps behind and gets it.
This time, Team SAFE-JAZ Tire slowly but surely building their composure and momentum dito sa ating third quarter. 53-14 our scoreboard. But 2 shots para dito kay Relata on the side of CARCIDO.
And kung mapapansin mo kanina, Rick, yung kalamangan na hawak ng CARCIDO Motors, umabot na sa lagpas 20 points. At ngayon na ibaba po ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master sa 13 points na lamang. So let's see if this will continue. But Relata still having a great momentum dito sa ating third quarter. Hindi papahuli dun sa mga batang naglalaro sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. No good at that second free throw. Now, SAFE-JAZ on the offense. What will they do to get this great momentum? I'll be recorded here. 16 seconds to shoot. 3-pointer again, no good. Offensive rebound. And this time, Raspal naman ngayon yung makakakuha dyan ng 2-point conversion.
And now, CARCIDO Motors, they need a point at this moment. Mendones sumalaksak at makakakuha ng napakagandang layup on that last play.
Ngayon, sagutan na lang puntos itong SAFE-JAZ Star Master, pero offensive foul para dito sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. Daw kailangan bawasan dito ng SAFE-JAZ yung kanilang mga fouls, because this will be a good opportunity for CARCIDO Motors to continue their good momentum and to adjust this big gap before the start of our fourth quarter.
Now, Caroche to Relata. Ramos. 1v1 with the defense and nice steal on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star. Long pass.
Napakaganda ng depensa ng CARCIDO Motors as well as ng SAFE-JAZ. Now, the bench of SAFE-JAZ Star Master asking for a review dyan sa last sequence. So let's see kung ano dito yung magiging decisions ng ating officials. But doon sa mga nahuling gameplay dito between these two teams, napakaganda ng ipinapakita nila dito. Of course, CARCIDO Motors, andyan na yung magandang depensa nila, magandang offense, big thanks doon sa kanilang experience na talagang na-build yung magandang momentum nila sa larong ito. Pero sa side naman ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master, talagang nilalaban nila dito sa ating third quarter. Of course, with the help of these players, we have Raspal, Graho, Raceles, Buela na talagang nagpakitang gilas dito. And also, De Los Reyes, hindi na natin nakikita dito sa loob ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. Pero titignan natin mamaya if ano pa yung gagawin dito ng kanilang kupunan to lessen that gap. Now, 42-56, 14-point lead of CARCIDO Motors.
And now, let's see. SAFE-JAZ Star ang bola. Let's take a look one more time on our instant replay. And the ball will go on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star. Tumama doon sa paa ni Caroche. And now, SAFE-JAZ Star, another opportunity. Graho to his teammate.
Now, Navaraza. No good.
Mendones with that rebound. CARCIDO with an offense. Mendones fires for 3. And it was good. Again, napakagandang tignan on the side of CARCIDO Motors. Itong mga veterans players coming from Camsur Express, talagang batak na ito sa loob ng court. And their connection nga na kanina pa natin dito nababanggit, na hindi nila dito hinahayaang makahabol itong SAFE-JAZ Tire. Kahit paunti-unti nagkakaroon sila ng problema when it comes to their passing. But nakikita natin dito yung point conversion on the side of their team. So let's see dito sa natitirang 5 seconds kung magkakaroon ba dito ng magandang panapos itong CARCIDO na dadalhin on our 4th and final quarter, or SAFE-JAZ Tire talagang bubulagain dito ang mga manonood at sasabihin kahit baguhan sila dito, kakayanin nila at makakakuha sila na ng magandang puntos.
And that's the end of our third quarter. Relata with that point conversion, 42-61 in favor of CARCIDO Motors. At magkikita-kita po tayo para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya mag-uwi ng kanilang unang panalo dito sa ating dalawang kupunan? Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Nagbabalik po tayo para sa ating huling quarter ng matchup ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master and CARCIDO Motors. And looking at the score here, 61-42 in favor sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. What a great defense and offense para sa kanilang kupunan dito. So let's see if this will continue. At during that third quarter, yung talagang nagpatuloy na magpakita ng magandang laro dito is jersey number 12, Buela, with 11 points sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. So let's see kung ano pa yung gagawin niya dito para iangat itong kanyang kupunan to lessen that gap and have a good comeback para sa SAFE-JAZ Star Master. But now, CARCIDO Motors still having this great momentum. Caroche passes to Alaray.
No, Alaray to Ramos. Looking for his teammate, Relata. Kukunin ang bola with 8 to shoot. Relata fires for 3, no good. And doon si Buela on that rebound. And doon sa pagtapos ng ating third quarter on the side of CARCIDO Motors, Relata very consistent para sa kanyang unang appearance dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup. 12 points na ang kanyang na-produce with 3 rebounds and 1 steal. Wow, a player to watch out on the side of CARCIDO Motors. And speaking of CARCIDO, Alaray with that layup.
Now, CARCIDO Motors talagang up until the fourth quarter, maganda pa rin yung kanilang ginagawa dito. So medyo nahihirapan yung SAFE-JAZ Star Master to really have a good momentum here. Pero Buela, first 3-pointer para sa quarter na ito, inaangat yung SAFE-JAZ Star Master. So the rest of the players of this team kailangan din mag-step up dito, tulungan si Buela to have a good gameplay here. Now, CARCIDO Motors still having this pick up.
Mendones looking for 3 at makakakuha ulit ng 3. Wow, sagutan ng 3 points on both sides. And to hear an update sa side ng SAFE-JAZ side, let's call our courtside reporter Chen. Hi Chen, ano ang balita dyan sa inyong kupunan?
Well, thank you, Rick and Tin Oragon. Andito na nga tayo sa fourth and final quarter of the game. At sa pagkakataong ito, kinakailangan na ng SAFE-JAZ na mas maging physical dahil I can see their eagerness naman na makahabol para dito sa kanilang inaasam na unang panalo para dito sa kanilang first game. Last reminder lang nga ni Coach na kung kinakailangan ay all out kung all out ang ibigay dahil alam niyang kaya nila at makukuha nila ang panalo. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen. All out kung all out na para dito sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. Last quarter na lamang ito, kailangan na nilang ibuhos ang lahat because as we can see right now, still a very big gap po yung hawak na ngayon ng CARCIDO Motors. So Coach Noel still sticking to his game plan and also kailangan ng magandang communication sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. Kasi yung CARCIDO Motors simula first quarter up until ngayong fourth quarter, grabe pa rin yung pinapakita nila dito. So to hear an update kung ano pa yung gagawin o ipapakita ng CARCIDO Motors, andyan si Zai. Hi Zai, balita natin dyan.
On to the last quarter of the first game, Tin and Rick, the CARCIDO seem to be in a good standing. Their energy just kept on replenishing from the deliberate passes to the gravity-defying layups. Talagang ibang klase ang laro ng dalawang kapunan na ito. It's only the fourth quarter at medyo palapit ang scoreboard kaya walang kukurap until the final strike of the shot clock. Yan lamang ang updates dito sa side ng CARCIDO. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Rick.
CARCIDO Motors. Wow, what a game. They really want to win this game against SAFE-JAZ Star. And again, this is good for their team kung makakakuha sila ng unang panalo. 66-49 on our scoreboard. Let's see kung patuloy ba dito nga arangkada ang kanilang kupunan. Relata, Tubuena Obra. Alare with 9 to shoot. Fires for 3. No good. Andun si Buela on that rebound sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star.
Now, Graho. Doble kayod para sa SAFE-JAZ Star Master. Now, let's see here. Pado nakikipaglaban sa baba. But a foul was whistled. 2 free throws. Bibigay dito kay Pado. Now, SAFE-JAZ Star Master. Mahaba-haba pa yung kanyang kailangang trabahuhin dito sa ating fourth quarter. And CARCIDO Motors still having that comfortable lead here. Now Pado for his second free throw. Let's see here, 6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining for our final quarter. That's good para dito kay Pado. Now Martinez, babalik sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. So let's see here. And CARCIDO Motors, this ball possession, let's see.
Alare. Passing ito Caroche. Now, Nuestro. Matatawagan dito ng foul on the side of SAFE-JAZ. And now Alare to inbound on the side of CARCIDO. 14 to shoot para dito sa CARCIDO Motors. Caroche going inside, pero no good on that attempt. And now Buela passing the ball to his teammate Nuestro, and now SAFE-JAZ with a 3, no good. Ball will go on the side, or ball will stay on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star. Now 66-50 on our scoreboard. Nangangalahati na po tayo sa ating fourth and final quarter. And SAFE-JAZ Star pressing the button on the timeout to clear things up, to make sure na dito sa natitirang 5 minutes and 56 seconds magkakaroon sila ng napakaganda or solid na depensa at opensa para maitabla itong nangyayaring napakagandang ginagawa dito ng CARCIDO Motors. Now, let's see after this timeout, will the SAFE-JAZ Star snatch this game, or will the CARCIDO Motors dominant their first win here sa ating OBL Elavil Cup. Now, Tin, ano masasabi mo dito sa ating dalawang kupunan because nasa 5 minutes and 56 seconds na lamang tayo ng ating laro.
Now, mahaba-haba pa yung 6-minute mark ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master against CARCIDO Motors. But knowing CARCIDO Motors, hindi talaga papaawat dito. Still, a great momentum coming from their team. Napakaganda ng depensa at offense ang pinapakita nila dito. So, with the 6-minute mark, labanan kung labanan yung mapapanood natin. Kasi yung SAFE-JAZ Star Master naghahabol dito. Doble kayod yung gagawin nila dito, pero hindi hahayaan ng CARCIDO Motors na talagang bumaba yung kanilang performance, knowing this is the game number 1. Sila talaga yung nagbigay ng magandang statement for this opening of OBL. And now back to the ball game here. Anong gagawin ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master to lessen that gap, to have a good game plan, and also Coach Noel, ano kaya yung kanyang plano dito sa kanyang mga players? And para sa side naman po ng CARCIDO Motors, napakaganda na ng performance na pinapakita nila from first quarter up until the last quarter. So talagang labanan ng magagaling ito, labanan ng mga veterano sa basketball dito sa Bicol region. Now SAFE-JAZ Star Master still struggling to convert a point here, and that ball possession still remains sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master with 14 seconds remaining. Now, kailangan na talagang gawa nila lahat ng ball possession na meron sila, point conversion, a good offense para makakuha ng magandang gameplay. And Garaho giving us a good 2-point conversion here. Now, the rest of the players of SAFE-JAZ Star Master needs to do the same right now. Because with this 5 minutes and 26 seconds remaining, it will be hard for them na humabol if CARCIDO Motors still continue to show us a great momentum now.
Hello, Ray. Looking for his teammate. What? A pass, but unfortunately, hindi pumasok yung layup na yun coming from Karoche. Now, SAFE-JAZ Star. Nasa kanila pa rin ito ang ball possession. So, another opportunity on their side.
Now, 16 seconds to shoot para dito sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. 52-66. A 14-point lead of CARCIDO Motors. Now, heavily guarded here. Nuestro. Long 3 attempt, no good. Now, CARCIDO Motors still having an opportunity here na mas mapalaki pa yung kalamangan na hawak nila dito. Now, Alaray. 17 seconds.
Heavily guarded here. Naghahanap ng mapapasaan po na obra to Ramos. Or rather, Beron. Those connections, yun yung gumagana dito on the side of CARCIDO Motors. Hindi man naipasok yung layup na yun, but still, magkakaroon sila dito ng free throw opportunity ng Beron. No good on that attempt. Let's see on his second try. Wala pa din. Now, SAFE-JAZ Star on the offense, Nuestro.
Ayun, meron na lamang 4 minutes and 33 seconds itong SAFE-JAZ Star Master to fight up until the end. Because still, this is a big 14-point lead of CARCIDO Motors. So let's see if Buela and the rest of the players of SAFE-JAZ can do something about this gap of CARCIDO Motors. Nagkakagawan pa sa bola. Now, naubusan na nga ng oras itong SAFE-JAZ Star Master. A good defense coming from CARCIDO Motors. Hindi nila hinahayaan na makakuha ng magandang gameplay dito itong kabilang koponan. Still 52-66 on our scoreboard.
Now, CARCIDO with the ball possession. Relata to inbound. Now, medyo dumadami na ang mga audience dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta dito sa ating opening games ng OBL Elavil Cup, and a great steal on the side of SAFE-JAZ. Martinez, no good. Buena obra, secures that one. Sayang yon para dito kay Martinez. And now, CARCIDO with the ball possession. Relata
very eager with that leather. Talagang pinaglalaban against SAFE-JAZ Star Master. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining here. Now Relata, 2 free throws bibigay sa kanya. First free throw was good. And Relata isa or even the player to look para dito sa CARCIDO Motors. Grabe yung performance niya sa start ng first quarter, ngayong fourth quarter. Grabe pa din yung ipinapakita dito.
And syempre, Tin, quick shout out on our live viewers, 134. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood pa dito sa Oragon Basketball League. And now, Caroche taking his time here with 9 to shoot, passing it to Benaobra, and now Alare to Benaobra, mid-range jumper was good.
Now, Coach Benaobra converting a point here for CARCIDO Motors. So nice to look sa mga coaches na naglalaro dito ngayon for OBL. Now, Buela for a 3-point attempt. That's good! Buela firing a 3 points. Now, SAFE-JAZ Star Master needs that. And Buela, talagang exceptional player sa side ng SAFE-JAZ. 55-69.
What a move para dito naman kay Caroche. Wow, I would like to commend Buela on that last sequence. Let's see one more time on that instant replay. Outplaying CARCIDO players and getting 3 points. And that 3 points was brought to us by Gilmar, Casa, the Descano.
And now, kung makakapuntos ang SAFE-JAZ Star Master, sasagutin naman ng CARCIDO Motors. So talagang sagutan lang para sa dalawang kupunan na ito. 2 minutes and 35 seconds and still a big gap of CARCIDO Motors. SAFE-JAZ, Buela again, long 3, no good this time. CARCIDO Motors on the offense.
Aswer. You know, CARCIDO Motors, andun si Aswer on that 2 point.
Now, with this big gap of CARCIDO Motors, talagang andito na po tayo sa last 2 minutes ng larong CARCIDO Motors and SAFE-JAZ Star Master. And with this big gap, it will be hard sa SAFE-JAZ Star Master dahil grabe yung pinapakita ng CARCIDO Motors. Kung makakapuntos man ng SAFE-JAZ, andyan yung CARCIDO Motors para labanan yung magagandang puntos dito ng SAFE-JAZ. So with this big gap of CARCIDO Motors, ang daming pwedeng mangyari. But sa side ng SAFE-JAZ, the only thing that they can do right now is to lessen that gap, have a great defense against against CARCIDO Motors rather. Pero knowing CARCIDO Motors, napakaganda ng ipinapakita nila dito. Malaking bagay yung experience na kanina pa nila sinasabi at kitang-kita naman natin doon sa kanilang mga laro dito. All the players of CARCIDO Motors showcasing a great offense and defense here.
Now, jersey number 4, Punzalan on that free throw opportunity. But no good. Now 7:55 on our scoreboard. 1 minute and 46 seconds para sa ating laro. jersey number 18. No good on that long two, pero andun si Punzalan with that offensive rebound.
Now, an 18-point lead of CARCIDO Motors. SAFE-JAZ on the offense. What will they do now? Block. One more time here. Pado naman. Still no good. CARCIDO Motors. A minute and 24 seconds remaining. Medyo hirap na yung SAFE-JAZ Tire Master to convert a point here right now with this big gap of CARCIDO.
So now, jersey number 18, Manrique. Losing that one. So, the ball will go on the side of SAFE-JAZ Tire.
Now, with this big gap break, hirap na para sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Master, but still a good performance doon sa mga naunang quarter for their team, pero an exceptional performance coming from CARCIDO Motors, yung talagang naging advantage nila dito ngayon dahil doon sa offense at defense pinakita nila yung binuild nilang momentum sa start pa lang ng first quarter, hindi nila binitawan at dire-diretso na nga yung naging puntos nila dito. And a point conversion coming from Sabio, making sure that CARCIDO Motor can have this great momentum. Now a big 20-point lead with 22 seconds remaining.
You know, SAFE-JAZ Tire looking for another point conversion, pero Sabio stealing that one. No good. And 5 seconds remaining for this game. And congratulations to CARCIDO Motors on getting their first win dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. What a game for them. What a performance for their team. And what a great point conversion para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Now, I'm so curious kung sino ba ang magiging best player dito sa side ng ating winning team. And on the other side of things, SAFE-JAZ Tires, nothing to be ashamed. Long games to go para sa kanilang kupunan. This is just the beginning. So marami pang adjustment ang pwedeng gawin. Marami pang game plan ang dapat trabahuhin. So when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game. So don't go away. Dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo sa laro.
industry, yeah, they know what I'm about, and I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation, and I'm tired of all of this high school. He's cool, he's not rap shit. Should a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
It's DJ Rolling.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang Oragon.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon, ang Oragon.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Our best player of the game is brought to you by Elavil Philippines Incorporated. And here with me is our best player of the game, jersey number 39, Relata, with 13 points, 4 rebounds, and 1 steal. Now, it is a great performance coming from CARCIDO Motors. And how was the experience? The first game pa lang ng CARCIDO, pero nakuha nyo na agad yung panalo.
Actually, unang-una, thank you Lord. Thank God for giving this opportunity. And then sa OBL, siyempre, sa new opportunity na naman na binigay sa mga aspiring sa basketball player. Yung experience namin ngayon, so actually short preparation lang yung Team CARCIDO, but lagi lang kami nag-uusap na magkaisa, and then we work as together para makuha namin yung panalo ngayong game.
So nasabi mo na kanina, short lang yung preparation ng CARCIDO, but still, you get the win. Ano ba yung advantage ninyo against SAFE-JAZ Star Master?
Siguro, yun na lang, dala-dala namin yung pride na lang, and then siguro yung experience na medyo matagal na kami magkakasama, and then matagal na rin naglalaro ng basketball siguro.
Yan, dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na lahat ng gusto mong batiin.
Thank you nga pala. Binabati ko nga pala yung family ko, lalo na dyan sa Limbanan, and then sa Naga, yung misis ko andyan, nakasupport. Thank you very much, and then sa Team CARCIDO, congratulations. Thank you.
Again, congratulations and thank you. Once again, that's our best player of the game, jersey number 39 from CARCIDO Motors, Don Pirata or Don Relata. And sa ating second game, aabangan po natin yan only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Oy, sabi mo, bagay ka naman dyan.
Ako? Ikaw? Sorry,
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
What a great performance coming from CARCIDO Motors at sila nga po ang nakakuha ng unang panalo for our Oragon Basketball League. And of course, kudos din po sa ating team na SAFE-JAZ Star Master for giving us a good matchup. At abangan nyo po ang ating second game mamaya.
Ayan, din talagang pinakitaan tayo on that first match ng napakagandang basketball game. And this time, maya-maya, mapapanood natin NCF Tigers versus UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Cristina Alcanzar Reyes. Dito lang yan mapapanood sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
Ano, maurag ka?
Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.